If you're still posting static images, stop, because what I'm about to show you turns any image into a video clip using Canva. And the craziest part? Most people don't realize this feature exists. I use this for B-roll footage, carousel posts, reels, and so much more. Let me show you exactly how to do it. So here I am in Canva, and for today's video, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna come over here to social media, click on that, and I'll choose one of these. You can choose any one you want. I'm gonna stick with LinkedIn posts for now. So I'll click on that, and here is my starting post. Now I'm gonna come over here and go to photos, and then I'll search for candles. I think I'll choose this one, and then I'll enlarge it to fill most of my page. Okay, next I'll duplicate it, and add a page, and put it here. This way I can compare the regular image to what I'm gonna do next. So I'll click on it, go to Edit, and come over this Tools area. If we click on See All, you can see there's quite a few. You may see something called Magic Studio too, or you might just see this. Canva is changing things around right now, so just make sure that you choose Image to Video. It is a pro feature, by the way. I'll click on that. Now you've got two options. You've got Smart or Custom. In Custom, you can tell it exactly what you want it to do, and it'll generate a 5-second video. The Smart choice will actually animate it for you, and they've changed this too. A couple of days ago when I used this, it was 3, and now it's 5 seconds, so that's excellent. Let's click there, let it process, be patient, and let it go through the whole thing, because if you leave the page early, you will lose it. So just let it process. It only takes about 20 seconds or so. All right, there it is. Now you can see it. You could generate it again if you didn't like it. I'm gonna add it to my design. Yeah, there it is. So here is the video and the original image. Now let's try a few more. Please don't use anything with human faces. Based on my research, it doesn't work on those right now. So let's go try using it on animals. How about a dog? So let's scroll down here and add a page. All right, let's add this puppy here. Let's see if this works on animals. I'll add the image in there. Now click on it. Go to Edit. I'll come back to Image to Video. Click on that, and now I'll generate a 5-second video. Oh, that is excellent. Let's add it to our design. Yep, that is awesome. So there's the original, and here's the video it just made. So you can see that now you can take actual images, put them in here, and create mini videos with them. Now, if you want to use your own images, you can definitely do that. Let's add a page and try one more. All right, this time I'm going to the beach. How about this one? So we will enlarge it like that, and I'll add a page. So I'll copy that and put it right down here. So let's go back up to this one and click Edit. I'll go back to Image to Video. This time I'll use the Custom option and see what it does. That will generate 5-second video. Okay, so something's gone wrong. Let's try an easier prompt. So I'll get rid of all this. Let's try that. Yeah, that worked. Oh wow, look at that. So let's add it to the design. Yeah, that is amazing. So look at that. So there's our original, and then here's the video we just made from it. And now they're 5 seconds. So if you want to come in here and try the image to video tool for yourself, I definitely encourage you to do that. Imagine if you wanted to use these as backgrounds or B-roll. You could use them in social media and so many different things. Now it's time to use your imagination and see what you can make with image to video.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.